And big setback for Mahua Moitra from the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court has refused to interfere with the eviction notices of the Estates Department to Mahua Moitra to vacate her MP accommodation. So big setback for Mahua Moitra as the High Court, the Delhi High Court has refused to interfere with the eviction notices of the Estates Department to Mahua Moitra to vacate her MP accommodation. And this is the latest update that we're getting, that there is a setback, yet another setback for Mahua Moitra. As the Delhi High Court has said no, that it will not be interfering with the eviction notices that of the Estates Department to Mahua Moitra to vacate her MP accommodation. And there was an interim plea that was filed by TMC leader Mahua Moitra, but now the HC has refused to interfere with the matter. CNN News 18's legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar is joining us on the story with more details on this. Ananya, over to you.
Well, definitely, this seems to be another setback coming in for TMC's Mahua Moitra. Remember, she was expelled from the parliament at the cash for query scam, and post that, what has happened was her house was actually taken away. She was given out eviction notices to vacate that government bungalow that she was given as a member of the parliament. But since her parliamentary membership was revoked after that particular expulsion, she had knocked the doors of the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court had said that if you've challenged that particular order before, in fact, the Supreme Court, then we'll wait for the Supreme Court to, in fact, grant a interim stay. Then the High Court would actually have dealt with the matter and that disposed of this particular petition earlier. However, yesterday itself, Mahua Moitra had received certain notices on January 16, challenging those, eviction notices. She had knocked the doors of the Delhi High Court, and today and yesterday night the hearing took place in the evening, and the orders came in at the night, where the Delhi High Court bench headed by Justice Girish Katwalia has very, very categorically dismissed that particular petition that was filed by Mahua Moitra, clearly claiming that the Supreme the 226 court cannot go into this particular domain because the matter is already seized off at the topmost court, the Supreme Court, which actually can grant this particular.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much for getting us all those details.